And I'm stepping in the freaking mud. All right. And now we're back and we can ready to put the socket back in. Nice and clean and better.
We're going to use the
Yeah.
same tool.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Joe. Look at that. You put a little bit of elbow grease in there.
That's
Okay,
it.
and then we're going to turn the heater back on. Can you push the button, please? Thank you.
Okay.
And then get all the, should I scrape the gook out or it'll fall out? That is
Let me get a towel. I can wipe that off.
gross. Okay, we got all the grossness out of my hot water heater. So this is the hot water heater, and we just cleaned out the socket that was looking very disgusting. Alrighty, we'll be back. Stay tuned.